Hello everyone, today's I'm discuss 9 tips and tricks to increase restaurant sales. The restaurant industry is extremely competitive, and you must understand constantly changing trends and strategies to maintain consistent sales and, as a result, profit margins. While customer retention is one of the most important aspects of your business, bringing in new customers is equally important for your brand's growth. You will need a variety of methods to promote sales and growth in your restaurant, ranging from tried and tested techniques to innovative methods tailored to your establishment. We discuss 9 essential tips and tricks for increasing sales and achieving your goals as a restaurateur and entrepreneur. Continue reading to learn more. 9 strategies for increasing restaurant sales. 1. Provide an option for customers to order online. 2. Improve your menu. 3. Invest in good restaurant equipment. 4. Install a restaurant reservation system. 5. Use social media to increase growth and reach. 6. Increase service speed. 7. Experiment with new and unique marketing strategies. 8. Develop a mobile application. And last, 9. Use SEO to increase sales. For more details, click on below link. Thank you for watching.